did the dive inside the thing on the second, like the little hole. Oh, I also just did a random bonk that was kind of unintentional. There's a biker coming our way from the back. I did the Matty over the thing. Hell yeah. It was kind of half-cocked, actually. I'll still take it. I'm getting there. It was kind of like, I did it and then like kind of went like that. I don't know. I basically did it. I was probably like turning as I got through it, sort of. Yeah, okay, I think that was maybe both of us because we were both flying. Once I got to the tower, I went through the tower and I'm like, oh, is this metal like interfering that bad? It was all of a sudden like big interference. I don't know. I think so, yeah, should be.